With working mouse toggle, we can finally add real voice control to our Mecool remotes. By that, I mean you'll be able to search for movies and TV shows within apps just by speaking. You won't have to type search criteria anymore. Setting this up involves 9 steps. First, confirm that Android 7.1.2 or later is on the box. Anything less requires an aftermarket remote like this G20. Confirm that Google.apk is on the box. If you can't find Google.apk in the list of installed apps, download and install the latest version from Google Play Store. Voice control will not work on any TV box without it. Confirm that the Mecool remote is paired in Bluetooth. The microphones in these 2 remotes do not work in IR mode. If you have an M8S Pro L with Android 7.1.2, confirm MATVT is installed and set up. With few exceptions, voice search is not going to work on Bluetooth remotes paired to an M8S Pro L unless they can enter mouse mode. If you have an M8S Pro L, also confirm that Gboard for Android 6 Plus, also known as the white one, is installed and that it is the currently selected keyboard. If you can't find Gboard in the list of available keyboards, download and install the latest version from Google Play Store. Again, with few exceptions, voice search within apps will not work on an M8S Pro L without it. If you have a KM1, KM3, or KM9 with Android 8, 9, or 10, confirm that Gboard for Android 8 Plus, also known as the black one, is installed and that it is the currently selected keyboard. Same drill. If you can't find Gboard in the list of available keyboards, download and install the latest version from Google Play Store. With few exceptions, voice search within apps will not work on the KM1, KM3, or KM9 without it. Confirm that Gboard has been given microphone permissions. Confirm that individual apps have been given microphone permissions. This step adds extra functionality to USB remotes like the G20, but not necessarily to the Mecool Bluetooth remotes. Still a good idea though. Disconnect any aftermarket USB mics and/or any aftermarket USB microphone transceivers that may be plugged into the box, as these will interfere with the Bluetooth mic built into Mecool remotes. Finally, it might be necessary at this point to restart the box to get everything working. Okay, now here's what you need to understand. The 2 Gboards work exactly the opposite of each other. The white Gboard cannot be entered in D-pad mode. It can only be entered in mouse mode. That's why the M8S Pro L needs mouse toggle software to operate it. The black Gboard can only be entered in D-pad mode. It cannot be entered in mouse mode. That's why mouse toggle software is optional, at least for voice search, on the KM1, KM3, and KM9. Either way, to voice search within apps, all you have to do is click OK on the app's magnifying glass to open Gboard. Here we're looking at TTV. Click on Gboard's microphone icon to activate listening mode. Wait a few seconds for listening ... to appear. As soon as it does, without okaying or pressing any buttons on your remote, just speak the name of whatever it is you want to watch. You only get a few seconds to speak. If you delay too long, you'll have to click OK on Gboard's mic icon again. A list of matching movies and TV shows will be found. Here it found the exact movie I was looking for. Hit Return to put away Gboard. Pick the movie or TV show you want from the list, assuming you got one, and that's it. Note that in the above procedure, we never once pressed the Wonder Bread button, the one with red, yellow, and blue balloons on our remote. Why do I call it the Wonder Bread button? Because for over 70 years, Wonder Bread has been advertised here in the US as the bread with red, yellow, and blue balloons on the wrapper. So what's it good for? The Wonder Bread button is used to ask Google Search Assistant, the inventor, out for blood in Silicon Valley, anywhere. What you get is an automated internet search. You can ask Google Search Assist about a movie, and it will tell you all about that movie. But it will not let you play that movie, at least not for free. Well, I hope this clears up common voice control issues. If it has, please like, subscribe, comment. That's how we help each other. Good luck. Thanks for watching.